staan hier bij Denon Marans. Nou, ja, in dit geval dus bij Denon. Bij een paar nieuwe hoofdtelefoons. Waaronder de 7200 en een paar in-ears. Type nummer komen we zo even op. Thank you for inviting us to the new products. First, maybe handy to introduce yourself.
Okay. Yeah, I'm Yoshinari Fukushima. I'm a product manager of the Denon headphone and also acoustic engineer. So today I'd like to introduce these two headphone products.
Okay. This is the 7200, and from what I've understood, it's about 800 euros. The headphone market now is pretty tough, I think. So, why would Denon make a new headphone?
Okay, so we didn't had a nice recent product like HD 7000. This was really well received in the market. Then this is, let's say, the Denon history. Then we have a really nice high-end audio sound. There also not only headphone, but also we have hi-fi or AVR product. That means we are audio brand. So I'm a headphone guy. Want to continue this high-end premium audio headphone product. That's why we rebuilt the 7200 with some advantage or upgrade from 7000. Yeah, that is the 7200.
Is it some sort of also a little bit of an image thing?
So what is that image? So
Look at what we can build. We make premium amplifiers, headphone amplifiers. We can also build a premium headphone.
yeah, we can make some such kind of premium stuff. Yeah, for the market. So I'd like to concentrate on more premium, high-end area that we can fight with our Denon brand. Yeah.
If I look at this, one thing stands out for me at least. The unit is a real unit. It's not a Mylar unit.
Yeah, of course, this is our original technology. I call free edge nanofiber driver.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, here you can see really soft edge we have.
Yeah.
This is free edge. Then you can see this paper plus nanofiber composite driver makes some hardness. Also, appropriate internal loss to avoid unwanted resonance in the paper. That brings really nice low distortion, typically mid to bass. Also nice high frequency. Yeah, that's why we choose this free edge with nanofiber driver.
Every brand uses another unit. I mean, Focal is now into aluminum and beryllium. AudioQuest uses some organic fibers. Did you try them all and came to the conclusion that this is the best to use for you?
Of course, Japan team did a lot of study about some material, but as far as I checked the sound of all, so Denon sound should come from this driver. That was the conclusion. So I don't say the other material is bad or good. So I want to say this is the Denon sound. Yeah.
Well, that's a good thing. I mean, you should have your own signature. Then the magnetic motor.
Yeah.
You got at the back. What can you tell about that and the use of wood in this?
So from the headphone point of view, there is 2 points. It's important: sound and comfort. Starting from sound, I already talked about the driver itself.
Yeah, sure.
Then magnet. I don't tell a lot, but this is quite strong magnet. It have over 1 Tesla. Yeah, it's really strong to drive such a. Actually, tough to drive this. Membrane. That we need a really strong magnet. Then of course, this wood.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
Yeah. So we try a lot of thickness, also shape.
Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, here is a solid. Starting from, let's say, the block. Just a block.
Yeah.
Then this is a next step. And here, this is painting. And putting some acoustic damping material inside. Then, of course, that kind of engineering was done in Japan and me, but I got some support from, Karl-Heinz Fink, audio consultant, I'll say, company
Yeah.
to do some laser measurement to see how the wood housing vibrate. So the bad thing from wood or plastic is, how say, like a vented
Yeah.
wave or unwanted vibration.
Okay.
So I like to avoid that. Then I made a lot of, how say, trick inside.
Yeah, like bracings.
Bracing or some like this thickness itself,
Yeah,
or some, I say, damping material
Yeah.
on the wood housing that makes sound really, how say, precise,
Yeah.
but also wood warm sound I can get. Yeah.
It definitely has an influence on the whole timbre of
Yes.
of the sound. What would happen if you would take this and choose some composite materials, plastics or whatever?
Yeah. Of course, if I choose just how say, cheap plastic, that sound crap. But
It sounds like plastic then.
yeah, sound like plastic. Of course, the sound of the headphone is mainly coming from driver and housing,
Yeah.
like a loudspeaker. So if you change the cabinet to wood to plastic or wood to metal, the sound become like this.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can imagine the wood housing have woody sound. Yeah.
From what I've understood is that this is already available in Europe.
yes.
Yeah, 800 euros.
Yeah.
Okay, but there was something else new.
Yeah.
In-ears. The first thing that stood out was the weird material for the the enclosure in your ear.
Yeah. So this is a foam comply ear chip I call.
Yeah.
So I got how say great contact with company ear chip company Comply. So they have a really nice ear chip. This is for sound and comfort.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see here.
Yeah. It feels like it's sticky, but it's not sticky.
No, of course not. There's some coating outside, so there's how say not that damage with sweat or else. No. So what I want to do with this material is to fit completely softly to your ear.
Because that closes the chamber better,
Yeah.
so the whole sound will improve.
Of course. So all of the human have different shape. So we have, I'll say, normal silicone ear chip, also this Comply ear chip. Yeah. So that makes sound better, also comfortable better. Yeah.
What will these cost, and are they are they already available?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. These are really new, aren't they?
Actually, this is the first time to get interviewed.
Okay.
Yeah, so really appreciate to do that. This is, how say, 199 euro. Then this is already available in the market. Then a lot of review I got. So from the Forbes or some magazine or review, and especially let's say it have a really, how say, unique feature. That's why a lot of, how say, customer or reviewer, how say, really interested in that product. Yeah.
Well, I thank you very much for your time. And is there some possibility to check these out?
Yeah, of course. So
Well, let's do that.
let's try that. So
Thank you.